My classmates and I conducted research and made an informative presentation on genetic testing for periodontal disease. Genetic testing is a type of medical test that identifies changes in genes, chromosomes, or proteins. Genetic testing can confirm or rule out a suspected genetic condition or help determine a person's chance of developing or passing on a genetic disorder. Results of genetic tests, which are performed using a blood or saliva sample, are often available in a few weeks. Since our families all share the same DNA, if you are determined to have a genetic change, your relatives may also have the same change. Hereditary may play a role in periodontal disease. Therefore, your genetic makeup may actually increase your risk of developing periodontitis. Genetic testing in dentistry can assist an individual in determining whether you are at risk of having a periodontal condition. Dentists can identify the specific type of bacteria responsible for your gum disease thanks to a saliva test. Having this testing available aids in investigating alternative methods to lessen the burden of genetic conditions such as periodontal disease. In less than a minute, dentists or dental hygienists conduct the test as part of a standard dental examination or cleaning. How genetic testing is performed. Genetic testing is done by taking a salivary sample using an easy, uncomplicated cheek swab, which is then sent to a lab. The dentist and dental hygienist will learn the individual's level of risk once the results have been sent back to the dental office. PerioPredict is equipped with 1 vial of saline solution. The client will swish with 5 milliliters of the saline solution for 30 seconds and spit it back into the collection tube. The tube is then sealed and sent to oral DNA labs where the sample is then tested for genetic pathogens that cause periodontal disease. The results will take about 2 to 3 days. Once the results are in, a full report is then sent back to the dental office.
Dental professionals have access to 2 different salivary DNA analysis. While the MyPerioID test is used to identify a genetic variant that impacts the body's immune response, while MyPerioPath test measures the quality, type, and quantity of bacterial inflammatory load of specified pathogenic organisms linked to periodontal disease. Both tests are meant to be supportive additions to traditional diagnostic techniques, such as keeping track of probing depths and evaluating periodontal tissues clinically for edema, erythema, bleeding, halitosis, and radiographic assessment, as well as personal and family history of periodontal disease. PerioPredict identifies people who are more likely to develop more severe periodontal disease by analyzing differences in the genes for interleukin-1, a major mediator of inflammation. If the patient's PerioPredict test results are positive, it means they have the genetic variant that raises their risk for developing severe periodontal disease. If your patient's PerioPredict test results is negative, that implies they are not carriers of the genetic variation that raises their chance of developing severe periodontal disease. Oral DNA labs test for 11 different periopathogens. Once the results are in from the salivary sample, the lab sends the dental professionals a full report showing the presence of bacterial pathogens that are found in the DNA sample. The report shows a bar graph with a black line indicating the threshold that ranges from low to high risk pathogens. Here is a sample of a final report of the salivary DNA analysis. The report gives a full interpretation of the results along with treatment considerations and recommendations. A treatment strategy will be implemented and each one would be unique to the individual, along with supportive care to manage periodontal disease or take preventative measures from periodontal disease from occurring. Generally, individuals who have a higher risk of developing periodontal disease may receive having 3 to 4 cleanings annually to stop the disease from spreading, whereas people with a lesser risk may just require 1 cleaning annually. Genetic testing is beneficial and aids the dentist and dental hygienist determining what the plan of action is and providing the patient the best optimal oral health. Competent workforce equipped with cutting-edge knowledge is essential to modern practice and education in order to ensure the meaningful application of genetic findings for disease prevention and better therapeutic outcomes. Equally significant is mounting proof that dentists play a crucial role in patients' general health and well-being by identifying systemic signs of genetic illnesses as well as dental and oral disorders. The dental hygienist also plays a crucial role in prevention measures and patient education. Both the dentist and dental hygienist can do the genetic testing. Not only is the genetic testing geared for both the dentist and dental hygienist, but it also includes the patient as it determines if they are likely to get periodontal disease and aid in prevention. Prior to my PerioPath test, genetic testing was difficult to perform as there wasn't a beneficial way to test for specific types of bacteria causing periodontal disease. Although there were a few ways to test the bacteria by growing them on a petri dish, the problem was that most dangerous bacteria that causes periodontal disease were hard to grow as the bacteria dies once it is exposed to light and oxygen. Some advantages are detection. Genetic testing can help detect periodontal disease in early stages. Prevention. A genetic test can tell us if a client is predisposed to periodontal disease. This can really make a difference for the future of dentistry. We can prevent periodontal disease and focus on those who are higher risk so they can have a better quality of life. Educational uses. Genetic testing can educate the client on the results of bacteria levels found in the oral cavity to help aid in optimal health. This test can help dental professionals in creating individualized dental goals for clients. Some disadvantages to this is cost. PerioDirect can cost around $200. Prices can vary depending on company and manufacturer. Insurance coverage. Dental testing is not covered by most insurance companies. This forces clients to pay out of pocket, making them hesitant to participate. And lastly, availability. Genetic testing may not be available in most general practices. Clients might have to be referred to a periodontist that provides this test. And that concludes our video. Thank you for watching.